you looking at?
Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks.
One, I ain't your mama. Two, the fuck you want now?
I can't fall asleep.
Nigga, that ain't my problem.
Can you tell me a bedtime story?
Nigga, no! Do I look like Mother Duck to you?
It's Mother Goose.
It's motherfucker, shut the hell up.
Whatever. It's cool. Don't tell me a bedtime story.
Thank you. Good night.
I'll make sure Mother hears about this.
Nigga, so what?
You probably won't get paid.
Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop.
I don't like that one.
Hush, little fat bitch, don't you cry. Mama gon' buy you a pumpkin pie.
Those aren't the lyrics.
Nigga, the fuck you want from me?
Why don't you try A Christmas Carol?
Silent fight, holy fight. Beat that ass, knock out your light. Keep talking that nasty ass shit. Bitch, guarantee you will get hit. Deck the halls with bounds of pussy. Sha-la-la-la-la. Dashing through the skank with a one-horse open dick. Her pussy stank, smelling like a fish stick. Joy to the hoe, she fucked my man. That's why he got herpes. That's what she get for talking shit. That bitch got shit on me. That's why she got an STD. She needs to clean her stank pussy.
That's enough. Tell me a Christmas story.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all little Timmy put on his Christmas list was that he could spend Christmas with his mama. 'Cause his mama was admitted to the hospital because she went into cardiac arrest after sucking too many dicks because his mama was a hoe. So the doctor told little Timmy on Christmas Day that she was gonna live. And little Timmy cried. He cried with joy because he was so happy that his mama, his stank pussy ass, busted ass mama was gonna live. He cried. But the diagnosis was wrong and then she died the next day.
Tell me another one.
Good night.